Hello guys, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Okay, tonight we will be looking at the $500 trading tips for boom and crash. Okay, I know you guys have been waiting for this, and I'm really happy that this is really helping out. So we will be going straight into it without wasting our time. But first, if you are just joining us for the very first time, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also set the notification bell beside it to all notification. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. And also, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you will, if you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. So quickly, we'll be going into what we have for today right away. Okay, so like I said, it's going to be the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, so yesterday's analysis were very good, and people really make lots and lots of money from there. So we'll be looking at today's analysis together. But before going fully into that, let me quickly say this. Okay, this is coming to you live and direct at around this is 8:05 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you are watching me directly, then you can take advantage of this. Okay, so you need to consider the time which you are seeing this video before you jump into the trade. Okay, another thing you need to take note of is that I will be doing the analysis based on my technical know-how, and also based on the custom made indicator which I will be using, which is going to be QDC scraper indicator, and also the time frame that I will be using. So all these are very important for you to take note before you consider taking the trades. Okay, and if you are not seeing it immediately as I'm doing this, probably you are seeing it an hour later or 2 hours later, you still need to have a check about the have a check on the chart before you consider going on with the trade. So all these are very important. So let's go straight into it right away. So we'll be starting with boom 1000. Let's go straight to boom 1000, and I will be using 5-minute time frame, and I'm using QDC scraper indicator. Okay, for boom 1000, as we can see, don't mind my analysis. As we can see, don't mind the chart. It's based on the analysis I was doing earlier on. As you can see, we got a downtrend right from here to, it was on uptrend before, but there was a pullback to this level, consolidated around this level, but went back on uptrend and finished the trend right here, and it started a downtrend from there, which ended right here. Right now it is on uptrend, but there is a little pullback, and it will definitely go back on uptrend, and my want to end up the trend around here, except if it's going to break this resistance level. Okay, so that is it. So for boom 1000, it's going to be a buy. Okay, it's going to be a buy, but once it is approaching that resistance level, you should exit the market immediately. Okay, so let's get straight into boom 500. Okay, so for boom 500, we're going to see what is happening. For boom 500, it has been on a very long uptrend. The uptrend started from here, and it went on and on till this level. Okay, this is where it ended. You can see it right here. It ended right here, and it has been going back on downtrend. Like I said, we always find it difficult to break out successfully into the new trend, but of course it is trying to break out successfully, so it is going to be a sell, more especially after breaking out from this 4 MA candles. Okay, so boom 500 is going to be a sell, guys. It is going to be a sell. So we'll be looking at crash 1000. We'll be looking at crash 1000. Okay, we'll be looking at crash 1000. Okay, where's crash 1000? Okay, this is boom 1000. Okay, this is crash 1000. Yeah, crash 1000 right away. As we can see, crash 1000 has been on a very long uptrend. Okay, it has been on a very long uptrend starting from here, and it has been going up and up and up and up, and it came to an end right here and came down to this support zone to finish the downtrend, and right now it's going back on uptrend. Like I always tell you, we always find it difficult to over into a new trend, but if done successfully, then it will go for a very long time. So it's going back on an uptrend, but it is pulling back a bit. Wait for the buy arrow to come out before you go into the trade. Okay, so once it comes out, then you can jump into the trade. So it's going to be a buy. So the last one which we'll be looking at is going to be crash 500. So let's check out what we have on crash 500 right away. For crash 500, it was on a long downtrend right from here, from this very region, down to this region, this support zone, which came to an end, and it is starting a new trend right from here, okay, which is an uptrend, okay, but it is finding difficult to break out from this resistance zone, which is the 4 MA candle. So I will advise you to wait for it to break out, okay. Wait for the breakout right here before you jump into the trade. Wait for it to break out right here before you jump into the trade, okay. So once it breaks out, then you can go into the trade, okay. So that is what we need to do. It is going to be a buy. Let me see that again. Yeah, it is going to be a buy, but wait for the breakout before you jump into the trade, okay. So this is going to be a buy, but wait for the breakout, okay. Wait for the breakout. So once you get the breakout, then you can now go into the trade. So that is going to be our analysis for tonight. Make sure you do your personal research about this. Make sure you check out the time you are seeing this before you jump into it, okay. So all these are very, very important, okay. And if you are new on this platform, or you are just learning how to trade, do not take the trade directly on your real account, because you don't know how to manage your account at the moment, okay. First of all, you can try it out on your demo account, and while you learn how to trade very well, okay. For those of you that have been trading before, that have been following me up on this, then you can go on with your trade and share your results with me. So I'll be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.